We got ourselves a makeshift water fountain out here for the Dolics. Hee! Here they go, boys. Hee! That's a makeshift Dolly condos. There's Theo and Perry, and there's Angie girl. Yeah. Well, we got a monkey over here. Look at that monkey. Little girl. And there's Nino. Here's Nino, guys. There he is. That's the little ninja. Look at that. Look at that. And there's Mr. Tinkerina. Hee! We got me a makeshift water fountain out here, bruh. There's Tanner. This is Polly. That's Mindy. Say hey to the camera, little guys. Hey guys, I hadn't done a video in a while. I'm still working on some world records. This is Rocky Rose here. I thought, hey, I made a little makeshift water fountain for my cats, and in between world records, I thought I'd upload a video. So, Kung Fu NES world record coming up. Super Mario Brothers 3 high score max out world record tie coming up. Ice Climber versus arcade world record coming up. Mighty Bomb Jack, Solomon's Key, Donkey Kong Jr. All those world records are coming up. I've already got 4 of them. I'm working on 2 more. So we're gonna see here in the next few months, guys. I'm setting some world records on some legendary NES titles, so y'all stay tuned. As for Mortal Kombat 2, I'm kind of taking a break from it. So, you know, I've been playing a lot of Alpha 3, but anyway, guys, just to give you an update on the channel, because I haven't uploaded the video in probably 6 months. I don't know. Hey, Tanner. Tanner, say hi to the camera. Tanner, what's up? What's up, Tanner Rufus?